Cash App is built around fast peer-to-peer payments, while a traditional bank is built to handle a much wider range of financial services. If your goal is simply sending money to another person, the experience can be very different depending on which option you choose. By the end of this video, you'll know how Cash App and traditional banks compare for money transfers, when each one is the faster choice, and which option makes the most sense for your situation. If you're asking which sends money faster, Cash App is generally the quicker option for sending money between Cash App users. Traditional banks can also transfer money electronically, but the speed depends on the transfer method, the receiving institution, and the bank's processing schedule. Let's start with Cash App. Cash App is designed for mobile payments. After creating an account and linking an eligible payment method, you can send money directly to another Cash App user through the app. The entire process is handled from your phone, making it convenient for splitting bills, paying friends, or transferring funds between people who already use the platform. The experience is simple because both the sender and recipient use the same payment network. Now compare that with a traditional bank. Banks offer several ways to send money, including internal account transfers, electronic transfers, bill payments, and other payment services. The speed depends on which service you're using, and whether the receiving account is at the same bank or a different financial institution. Traditional banks are designed to do much more than send money. They also provide checking and savings accounts, loans, credit products, investment services at some institutions, and in-person customer support. So which option is better? Choose Cash App if you're regularly sending money to friends or family who already use Cash App. The app is specifically designed for quick peer-to-peer payments. Choose a traditional bank if you need broader banking services, or you're sending money using banking channels that require your financial institution. The important thing to remember is that payment speed isn't determined only by the app or bank. It also depends on the payment method, account verification, and the receiving institution's processing procedures. Here's the bottom line. Cash App is generally the faster choice for person-to-person payments within its own network, while a traditional bank offers more comprehensive financial services, even if some transfers take longer to complete. Your next step is to think about how you send money most often. If it's primarily to other Cash App users, the app is likely the more convenient choice. If you need complete banking services, your traditional bank remains the stronger option. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons of payment apps, digital banking platforms, and personal finance tools.